In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members to a community in Microsoft Teams. We'll move through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're completely new to Microsoft Teams communities. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can start building your community with the right people. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams, either on your desktop or in the mobile app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the section labeled Communities. Depending on your layout, this might appear on the left-hand side, along the bottom, or in a menu. Take a second to locate that Communities area, because that's where everything starts. Go ahead and click on Communities. This will open a list of the communities you're a part of or that you've created. Find the specific community you want to invite people to. It might help to double check the community name so you're adding members to the right place. Now look for the three dots next to the community name or near the top of the community view. These three dots are usually called the More Options menu in Microsoft apps. They're easy to miss, so if you don't see them right away, move your cursor slowly over the community name or along the top bar until they appear. On mobile, you might need to tap on the name of the community first to reveal additional options. Once you see the three dots, click on them. This opens a small menu with several actions you can take for that community. From this menu, look for the option that says Invite Members. The wording should be clear, and it will usually be grouped with other community management options. Click on Invite Members. At this point, Teams will show you a few different ways you can bring people into your community. Common options include typing in email addresses, selecting people from your organization, or copying an invitation link that you can share elsewhere. Pick the method that works best for you. As you add people, make sure you're inviting the correct contacts and consider whether they should be members or, if available, co-organizers or moderators. After you've selected or entered the people you want to invite, confirm or send the invitations. Your community members will receive an invite through Teams, email, or via the link you share, depending on the option you chose. And that's it. You've successfully invited members to your Microsoft Teams community, and you're ready to start collaborating.